here. I tried to get as well lit and with as little music as possible, but it's still a little dark and a little loud. But I'm here getting my magnet, which I was a couple minutes late for, but it didn't matter. I got it anyway, so that was good. Oh yeah, no. My goals here today are also spend $0 and look extra gay because Bob Chapek sucks. So goals. All right, let's go do something. Oh god! Oh man! So wet. Oh my god.
I bet you wish you never been born, huh, Red Ribbon? Well, you mine, and you not getting away this time.
Let me loose, man. Let me go.
What is this? Oh, no wonder this trip is cursed.
has stopped temporarily and will resume motion at any time. Please remain seated for your own safety. Thank you.
Attention operator hands flight. This ride will begin motion immediately. For your safety, please remain seated.
Just got an escort to the Lime Garage because it's like midnight and Disney Springs is empty. Real spooky here. Hey, it worked. So yeah, productive night for just having 2 hours. I did a whole lot, got real wet, so now I'm gonna go put all my clothes on the dehumidifier. Glad you guys came along.